Hi, I'm Bruce, founder of Health Wealth Investor. If you've ever said, I want to get healthier, I want more energy, more freedom, more focus, or I want to start investing in my future, but I don't know where to begin, you're in the right place. This isn't just another lifestyle channel. At Health Wealth Investor, we help you build a powerful foundation in three key areas: health, because your energy is your engine; wealth, because financial stress holds you back; mindset, because clarity creates consistency. Every week, I bring you practical tools to boost your focus, sleep, and daily energy naturally, train smarter without burning out, use kratom safely to support your clarity and recovery, build daily habits that strengthen your nervous system and unlock the compounding power of simple, consistent investing. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, or 50s, just getting started or making a comeback, this channel is your daily guide to becoming unstoppable. You don't need more willpower, you need the right environment, and that's what we create together. Subscribe now. New videos every week. Health, wealth, clarity, confidence. It starts here. This is Health Wealth Investor. Your future self will thank you.